If your engine has ever overheated out of nowhere or you've replaced parts that weren't even the problem, you already know how expensive guesswork can get. A weak coolant system test or a bad refill job can trap air, cause hot spots, and slowly destroy your engine. In this video, I'm going to show you the top 5 coolant pressure testers and vacuum refill kits that actually help you diagnose leaks properly and refill your system the right way so you don't waste money or risk serious damage. And real quick, if you want real hands-on automotive reviews that actually save you money, hit subscribe. I've linked the best current deals for all these kits in the description below, and if you're not sure which one fits your car, drop a comment with your vehicle or issue. I'll help you choose the right setup. Let's start with number 5, the Misimoto MMTL-CPT28 Coolant Pressure Tester and Vacuum Refill Kit. This kit is built with a strong focus on quality and brand-level reliability. You're getting a durable hand pump with an easy-to-read pressure gauge, multiple anodized aluminum and brass adapters for different radiator necks, and a vacuum refill tool that connects to an air compressor for quick air-free coolant filling. The components feel premium, with solid seals and tight tolerances, and the kit is designed to handle a wide range of vehicles, including performance cars and daily drivers. Misimoto also includes a sturdy case to keep everything organized and protected. In real-world use, this is a great option if you want something that feels like it belongs in a professional garage but is still easy to use at home. The pressure tester gives you accurate readings for diagnosing leaks, and the vacuum refill tool helps eliminate air pockets, which is critical for modern cooling systems. Here's where this really stands out: it's consistent and dependable, especially if you're working on higher performance engines where cooling precision matters. The only downside is that it doesn't include as many adapters as larger kits, but for most users, it covers the essentials well. Stepping up to number 4, the Orion Motortech 33-piece Master Coolant Vacuum Refill Kit. This one is all about versatility. You get a comprehensive set of adapters designed to fit a wide range of vehicles, including European and Asian models, along with a vacuum purge and refill tool that uses compressed air to evacuate the system completely before refilling. The kit includes a large, clear pressure gauge, reinforced hoses, and durable connectors, all packed into a well-organized carrying case. The build quality is solid, especially considering how much is included. Now, this is what most people don't realize: having the right adapter makes a huge difference. With this kit, you're far less likely to run into compatibility issues, which makes it ideal if you work on multiple vehicles. In practice, it performs reliably, pulling strong vacuum pressure and allowing for smooth, bubble-free refills. It's a great choice for D'ers who want a more complete setup without jumping into premium pricing. The only drawback is that the sheer number of pieces can feel overwhelming at first, but once you get familiar with it, it becomes a major advantage. At number 3, the Four Uncles Radiator and Coolant Pressure Tester and Vacuum Refill Kit. This kit strikes a balance between affordability and functionality, offering a solid range of adapters, a reliable pressure testing pump, and a vacuum refill system that works with standard air compressors. The components are made from a mix of durable plastics and metals, and the seals are designed to hold pressure effectively during testing. It also comes with a color-coded adapter system, which makes it easier to identify the right fit for your vehicle. In real-world scenarios, this kit is a strong performer for the price. It's ideal for everyday drivers or DE mechanics who want to properly diagnose cooling system issues without overspending. The vacuum refill function works well for removing air pockets, and the pressure tester helps pinpoint leaks quickly. Compared to basic tester kits, this one gives you a much more complete solution. The minor downside is that some of the plastic components don't feel as premium as higher-end kits, but they still perform reliably where it counts. Now we're getting into more refined territory. Number 2 is the M-Tools 24444 Coolant Vacuum Refill Kit and Pressure Tester. This kit focuses on durability and ease of use, featuring a high-quality hand pump with a precise gauge, a strong vacuum refill tool, and a well-selected range of adapters that cover most common vehicle types. The materials feel robust, with reinforced hoses and solid metal connectors that hold up well under repeated use. The design is straightforward, which makes setup and operation quick and efficient. Here's where this kit really shines: it's built for consistency. If you're someone who does regular maintenance or works on multiple vehicles, this kit delivers reliable results every time. The vacuum refill system pulls strong suction, helping you avoid air pockets that can cause overheating later on. This is what most people don't realize: even a small air pocket can lead to big problems down the line. The only drawback is that it's priced slightly higher than mid-range kits, but the build quality and reliability justify it. And finally, number 1, the Astro Tools 78585 Universal Radiator Pressure Tester and Vacuum Type Cooling System Kit. This is a professional-grade setup that's designed to handle just about anything you throw at it. It includes a wide range of high-quality adapters for maximum compatibility, a heavy-duty pressure testing pump with an accurate gauge, and a powerful vacuum refill system that works quickly and efficiently. The components are built from durable metals and high-grade plastics, and everything fits together with a precision that you can feel immediately. This is the kit I recommend if you want the best overall performance and flexibility. Whether you're working on a daily driver, a truck, or even multiple vehicles, this kit gives you the tools to diagnose and refill with confidence. The vacuum system is strong and consistent, and the adapter range means you're rarely stuck without the right fit. Here's the bottom line: it saves time, reduces mistakes, and delivers professional-level results. The only minor downside is that it can be overkill if you only work on one car occasionally, but if you want top-tier capability, this is it. So here's how it breaks down. If you want a premium feel kit for straightforward use, Miss Himoto is a solid pick. If you need maximum compatibility and versatility, Orion Motor Tech gives you a complete package. For budget-friendly functionality that still gets the job done, Four Uncles is a smart choice. If you value durability and consistent performance, M-Tools is a strong contender. And if you want the best all-around kit with professional-level capability, Astro Tools takes the top spot. At the end of the day, overheating issues aren't something you want to gamble with. The right coolant tester and refill kit doesn't just fix problems, it helps you prevent them entirely. Choose based on how often you work on your vehicle, how many cars you maintain, and how much precision you need. If this video helped you, make sure you subscribe for more real-world automotive reviews. Check the description for the latest deals on all these kits and drop a comment with your vehicle or cooling issue. I'll help you pick the right one.